Hey, how's it going, friends? Josh Zaring here. In this GoPro vlogging setup, we're gonna be attaching everything to the Moza Mini MI, and it's a great gimbal. It handles 300 grams, so it's definitely up to the task. We're gonna be attaching the GoPro to the adapter plate for phone gimbals. Then we're gonna attach the mic and the audio adapter from GoPro. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos based around GoPro and action cameras for vlogging and cinematography, just your basic stuff all the way up to, I'm gonna do some videos on color grading and settings to get the best you possibly can out of these small cameras. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe and let's get started. So other than your GoPro itself, you're gonna need the GoPro audio adapter, a plate adapter for phone gimbals, obviously a microphone, a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, a small ball head, and the gimbal itself. First thing you want to do in this setup is unscrew the clamp and put it on the opposite side that it's intended. So on the completely flat side without the ridge here, because there's a ridge there and it prevents you from being able to plug the audio adapter into the GoPro. The second step is putting heavy duty Velcro on the flat side where the GoPro goes, about a 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch away. So when you hook it into the gimbal, you can still fit it in that groove there. Then you want to put it also on the audio adapter itself. And I already have this done, so let's get to putting the GoPro on. You want to remove the GoPro door where the mic plugs in, because if you do it afterwards, it's really hard to get off after you put it in here. So take that off ahead of time. This is a matter of preference here, but I like to put it in this way. So it's on the same side, the port is on the same side as the adapter. And before it gets really tight, since you don't have these grooves anymore, they're not on this side to align the GoPro, you want to align it the best you can with the screen so it's perfectly straight. Then go ahead and plug the audio adapter in, bend it down and attach it. Then we're going to set this off to the side and get the Moza Mini. Take your 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch adapter and screw it in the back hole. Make sure it's good and tight, and take your ball head and screw that in. Make sure that's really tight, not too tight that you bust anything, just really snug. Then go ahead and attach your GoPro with the adapter. Loosen the ball head so it's nice and loose. Then you get the mic and put in a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. I have that screwed in already because this happens to be 1/4 inch. And you leave this loose because you don't know where the mic's gonna end up getting tight. Get that nice and tight and pull this down so it doesn't make any noise, even though it's not clamping onto a hot shoe. Bring it around front, and sometimes this ends up being at the wrong spot. So I'm gonna tighten it a little bit ahead of time and bring it around front and tighten it the rest of the way. Then obviously you want to balance your GoPro with everything. This gimbal can definitely handle the weight. It's meant for 300 grams, up to 300 grams of weight. So go ahead and plug your cord in, plug it into the mic, and there we go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And remember, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time.